everyone, I'm Anna Jose, volunteer of Shivi Forensic. Today we are going to discuss on the topic Introduction to Forensic Science and its domains. Before we begin, we need to know what a crime and a crime scene means. Any action or omission which constitutes as an offense and is punishable by law is defined as a crime, whereas any location associated with a committed crime is defined as crime scene. In a crime scene, physical evidences are obtained which establish the possible link between suspect, victim, and witnesses in relation to criminal event. When we look at forensic science as a terminology, it was derived from two French words, forensis, which means of or before the form, and scientia, which means knowledge. Forensic science is the use of scientific method in civil and criminal system or the court of law. Forensic science have a vast history. The roots of forensic science can be traced back to ancient civilization. Later, the 19th century marked the turning point with scientific advancement. Forensic science was shaped over the years by numerous individuals. A few of these personalities are: first, let us look at Hans Gross. He was born in 1847 and died in 1915. He is also known as the father of criminalistics. He was an Austrian who helped to establish the science of forensics, especially the term of cross-transfer of evidence. Now let us look at Alphonse Badilon. He was born in 1853 and died in 1914. Also known as the father of criminal identification or modern identification. He was a Frenchman, and his contributions involve the systematic use of photography to document crime scene and evidence. Now let us look at the father of modern forensic science, Edmond Locard. He was born in 1877 and died in 1966. He was a French lad who gave many contributions to the field of forensics. One of his main contributions was the Locard's principle that states every contact leaves a trace. Now let us discuss about Karl Lestiner. He was born in 1868 and died in 1943. He was known as the father of ABO blood grouping. He was an Austrian-American who gave the groundwork for forensic blood typing, which became crucial in criminal investigation. Now, let us check out the major domains of forensic science. Forensic science is a vast branch containing numerous domains under it. Some of the major domains under forensic division are forensic chemistry, forensic toxicology, forensic biology, photography, computer, forensic physics, ballistics, question document, lie detection, and fingerprints. Forensic chemistry. When we define forensic chemistry, we can say that it is the application of knowledge and principle of chemical substances for the purpose of solving legal issues. It involves the examination of acids, base, fertilizer, petroleum products, indicators, etc. Moving on, when we define forensic toxicology, it is the application of knowledge and principle of drugs and poisons for the purpose of solving legal issues. It involves the examination of drugs such as nicotine, heroin, morphine, crack, etc., and poisons such as cyanide and arsenic. and many more. When we look at forensic biology division, it can be defined as an application of knowledge and principle of biology for the purpose of solving legal issues. They involve in the examination of blood, saliva, serum, mucus, tears, bone, pollen, etc. The photography division. Photographs are used as evidence in crime scene investigation by documenting crime scene and evidence found. It includes the examination of photographs, films, etc. Now, let us look at the computer division. It is a branch of forensic science pertaining to evidence found in computers and digital storage media. They can be further divided into two, the cyber division and the digital division. The forensic physics division. It is the application of knowledge and principle of physics for the purpose of solving legal issues. It includes the examination of glass, tool marks, gate patterns, etc. The ballistic division. It is the application of knowledge and principle of motion and projectile for the purpose of solving legal issues. It involves the examination of firearms, missiles, bullets, etc. Moving on, let us come to question documents. Question documents can be defined as the application of knowledge and principle in the document examination for the solving of legal issues. It involves the examination of currency, handwriting, signatures, etc. The lie detection division. It uses the polygraphs in identification of testimony in account of blood pressure, movements, blood flow, gastric movements, etc. It involves the use of lie detectors, drugs, chemicals, etc. But the lie detection is not admissible in the court, as it disagrees with Article 20 Clause 3. The Article 20 Clause 3 states that a person cannot give evidence against themselves. Finally, let us look at the fingerprint division. The fingerprint division can be defined as the application of knowledge and principle of fingerprint science in solving legal issues. It involves the examination of fingerprints, palm prints, footprints, etc. I hope that everyone enjoyed and learned something new from this topic. Thank you and have a nice day.